An ET Now exclusive, the long-standing dispute over cashless health insurance might finally be resolved. According to sources, IRDAI is monitoring the suspension. My colleague Anurag Shah is joining with all the details.
Issue of cashless treatment suspension by major hospitals is likely to be resolved soon, and as per our sources, insurance regulator IRDAI is also monitoring this issue. Insurance companies are in touch with the hospitals and hospitals association to find a mutual beneficial terms and condition to resolve this issue, because previously hospital association has announced that there are 15,000 hospitals will disallow cashless treatment services for Bajaj Allianz customers, and they have also warned few other insurance companies because hospitals are saying that terms and conditions by insurance companies and the rates quoted by insurance companies are much below the rates which hospitals are charging. So these are the issue which are the deadlock for disagreement between hospitals and insurance companies. On the other side, we have spoken to insurance industry also, and insurers are saying that these are the tactics by hospitals to delay the common empanelment, and as per agreement, hospitals cannot deny cashless treatment to the policyholders and to the customers. So both the sides are working to resolve the issue, and we have seen that Hospital Association announced that from 1st of September, 15,000 hospitals under their association will not give the cashless treatment. They have also warned a few other insurance companies also. But now the situation is under the monitor of insurance regulator IRDAI, and this issue will be resolved because hospital, insurance company and regulator, none of them want that policyholder, the genuine policyholder, should suffer.